We won again! Kanga Roof was named for the second straight year the top roofer in the state of Michigan, according to National Roofing Contractor magazine. This marks back-to-back years, both 2024 and now 2025, that we have been listed in the top roofers by this great publication. This, along with NRCA, are really the top two publications when it comes to both the commercial and residential roofing industry, and it looks at both commercial and residential and companies like Seasons Kanga Roof, where we do both. So this year, not only did we make it, we moved up in the rankings. In 2024, we came in at the number 143rd top roofer in the country, still number one in Michigan. This year, we moved up to number 114, so just outside of the top 100. We are exceptionally honored and excited about this. Now, why would you care? At the end of the day, for you, our clients, our consumers in the community, I think there's three big takeaways from this. Number one, no guesswork. When you choose to work with our team, it means you're investing in a company that has the best team, the best guarantees to ensure your total peace of mind. And you don't have to wonder if working with our team is the right decision, because not only will we put it in writing, you have publications like these, like the Free Press Best of the Best, like Certainty to Elevate that document that for you. To that same extent, you know you're working with the top 1% of roofers, not just here in Metro Detroit, but in the country. You know, whether it's our credentialing through Certainty, whether it's being named to Elevate's Master Contractor list 3 out of the last 4 years, winning the Torch Awards from Better Business Bureau, all of the independent third parties are documenting and verifying for you, yes, working with Kanga Roof is the right decision. And the one that I really am passionate about is the team that you deal with, whether it's our call center when you call in with an issue and need somebody to get out there, or the technicians themselves out on your home or business. They're highly, highly trained, and they're not learning on your home or your business, hoping to do the repairs or the replacement right. We hope that you're just as excited as we are about this. If you need our help, we would love to help you. You can always call our team at 586-566-0308. Go on our website at www.kanga-roof.com, where you can skip the line and book your appointment directly online. And as always, if you like this content, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. We're always coming out with new content for both our commercial and our residential customers, along with some general knowledge pieces too about the industry as a whole. Lastly, we appreciate you tuning in. And as always, I hope you have a Kanga-rific day.